This is Baileigh's new 9-inch small piece wide belt sander. It's great for removing burrs, slag, and dross from water jet, laser, and plasma cut parts. Great for polishing and finishing high numbers of small parts when you're prepping them for paint and powder coat. Saves a ton of time rather than having to polish them by hand. This machine has the capacity to do all your metal art at 16 gauge or 1/16 of an inch, and will go all the way up to structural steel 4 inches thick. The level of the table can be easily adjusted with this hand wheel. There's a level indicator down here with a fine-tune adjustment up top. Conveyor belt speed can be easily adjusted with this knob here. It has a chart, so your conveyor belt speed matches the speed of your belt. Another great feature that this machine has is an auto tracking system on the sanding belt. It provides up to a 50% time savings, preventing you from having to constantly mess with alignment of your sanding belt. Safety is a major concern for Baileigh, so we have 3 safety features on here to prevent you guys from getting hurt. We have an emergency stop here, a stop bar here in case you get too close, and this is the coolest feature here. If you have too thick of material, it'll actually stop the machine before you damage your belt.